This video will demonstrate how to register for courses in EXCELERATE. There are two ways to locate courses you wish to register for in EXCELERATE. The first is to use the functional category bucket found on the home page of EXCELERATE. The second is to click the catalog button found in the navigation bar at the top of the home page. This will pull up a list of all of the courses in EXCELERATE. You have the option to sort a number of different ways by using the filters at the top of the page. Locate the desired course. Your options will be register or more information. The more information option will take you to a full description of the course and the content of the course. From here, you can either register or return to the catalog listing. To register, click in the upper right-hand corner. You have two options. If you are registering for multiple courses, you can add this course to your cart and complete your registrations later and register for all courses at one time, or you can complete the registration now. Verify that the course is correct. All of your course prices should be listed as $0. And remember, you will not be fully registered for the course until you click Complete Registration. Once your order is processed, you will be taken to a Registration Complete page. If you need a printable receipt, one is available by clicking Printable Receipt in the upper right-hand corner, where you can then print